Don't have experience, you want to work from home, but you're afraid you can't find a job? I got you covered. Today I'm sharing 3 remote jobs that don't require experience, and one of them starts June 15th. So let's get into them. So all 3 of these jobs come to us from the company Motive Care. I really like this company because they always seem to have pretty good, no experience needed, very beginner-friendly work from home jobs, and today is no exception. So the first one I'm sharing is for a care center representative. This job is full-time, it is remote. I'm going to ignore this location of Ohio and these 6 states in the title because as we scroll down this job description a little bit, they do list 33 states in which they are hiring remotely. Unfortunately though, I do not see the usual cast of characters: California, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, and Washington. But if you do live in one of the states you see on your screen right now, you're definitely good to apply for this position. So this job starts June 15th. They tell us that right here on the job description. They have first and second shifts available, and they tell us they'll pay you $15 per hour. So what you're going to do in this job is answer incoming emergency and non-emergency calls, following protocols to determine priorities and dispatch responses accordingly. You'll provide compassionate customer support using scripted and non-scripted responses while monitoring a high volume of medical alerts and alarms, offering genuine care during potentially stressful situations. So that's the bulk of what you're going to do on a regular basis in this position. They list more details. If interested in this job, just read through the details. So you'd be a great fit for this position if you have 0 to 1 year customer service experience, preferably in a contact center or healthcare setting. So there you go, 0 years of experience necessary for this position. But if you ever did deal with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service. It doesn't matter if you're a cashier, a bartender, or server. You address customers' issues, questions, complaints. That's customer service. So if you have exceptional customer service and interpersonal skills, they're not saying you need that experience, they just want that skill. You're a good communicator, you can remain calm and empathetic in high pressure situations, and you're self-motivated, definitely check out this opportunity. They'd like you to be able to type about 35 words per minute. You can toggle between multiple screens and systems efficiently, and you're proficient in using Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. Now, if you need to brush up on those programs, in the description area, I have a link to a really good free resource where you can do that. And they tell us they prefer, but they don't require. They prefer you're familiar with customer service software and CRM systems. Now, they'd also like you to be willing to work weekends, overtime, and flexible hours as needed, and you need your typical internet speed. So remember, this job starts June 15th, 2026. They have first and second shifts available. They'll pay you $15 per hour, and no experience is required. So the next position with Motive Care is for a case management assistant. This job is full-time, remote, anywhere within the United States. No location restrictions anywhere on this job description. So what you're going to do in this job is ensure complete and accurate client account records, providing support to case managers and representatives from agencies, clients, and internal team partners. You'll facilitate the enrollment of new members and update member accounts and address requests from case managers, agencies, and other authorizers. You'll respond to incoming calls and verify and obtain update and accurate information as necessary. You also manage assigned tickets related to referrals, authorizations, discounts, holds, transfers, service jobs, and other tasks, while processing tasks in work queues to facilitate the accurate transfer or disconnection of client services for billing purposes. So if you have a high school diploma, basic computer skills, you're comfortable utilizing electronic files and saving documents, you can manage your time well, you're team-oriented, you're capable of handling multiple tasks simultaneously, you have entry-level customer service skills, and you can demonstrate a commitment to providing excellent service, and you also have attention to detail. This job has your name on it because they're not requiring any experience. And they tell us on this job description they'll pay you $17 per hour. Now, they also tell us this position will be posted for at least 5 days, and it's already 2 days old. So if you like this job, make sure to get your application in right away. So the third and final no experience needed work from home job I'm sharing is also with Motive Care. This one is for a remote retention and recovery specialist. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States, and you can see right here they tell us they'll pay you $17 per hour. And what you're going to do in this job is interact with clients and client representatives via phone, email, and or mail to secure the return of company rental equipment. This includes receiving, investigating, and responding to all customer inquiries regarding shipments, products, and complaints. And you'll be a good fit for this job if you have a high school diploma or a GED. You're self-motivated, you can work independently, you're comfortable using Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. And remember, I have a link in the description area if you need to brush up your skills in those areas. You're a good communicator, you can manage multiple tasks at the same time, and you can work flexible hours and overtime when needed. Definitely check out this opportunity because they're not asking for any experience. And just like the last job, they tell us this position will be posted for at least 5 days, and it's already been up for 6 days. So definitely get your application in ASAP. So there you go, 3 work from home jobs that don't require experience. Now I want to give a big congratulations to one of my viewers who just secured a work from home job. They actually interviewed with several other companies before selecting the job they did select, and they left a really nice comment with some really encouraging advice. So check out the comments underneath this video to read the comment from this individual. I think you'll really feel encouraged and pick up some really good tips on finding your perfect work from home job. And if you're looking for more easy work from home jobs, you can find some in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.